Okay, line number 3 for Under the Bridge. This gets a little more interesting. You've got 4 bars of groove, which you've done before because it's just repeat bars. And then in bar number 5, let's look at that together. It's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's look at bar number 5, beat number 2, which is where you have that extra snare hit coming in on the offbeat. So it's going to go. So it's snare and hat together, hat on its own, and then snare. Let's do that again. Again. I'm just going to unplug my crash because it's triggering when I'm hitting the snare. So one more time. You try it. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Last time. Okay, let's put that beat 2 into the groove of bar 5. So we're now going to have, let's try that, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Let's add on beats 3 and beats 4. So beat 3 and beat 4. In with the groove. I'll count you in for that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and again now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is bar number 5. Bar number 6 repeats it. So technically you just do that groove twice. So let's practice doing the groove twice back to back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Cool, let's play the whole line. So this is going to be with the groove from line 2, 4 times, and then that new bit we've just learned. Okay, so here's the whole of line number 3, if you want to play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4. The new groove we just learned. Again. Sorry that the snare misfired there, you would have heard a different sound, but I was playing cross stick and that is what you should be doing, cross stick at all times. Use that, rewind it and have a practice at line number 3.